Ah, look what we have, everybody. A 1972 Chevrolet Blazer K5, the custom sport truck edition, all decked out, bucket seats, factory air. The original 350 motors built to a 383 stroker. This truck has undergone a complete body-off-frame rotisserie restoration. The restorer claims 1,200 hours and about $50,000 in materials went into building this truck with only a couple hundred miles on it since it's been done. Go to volocars.com to see over 200 classic cars for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Blazer right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, we have photos of it on our website. Just a bare shell of a truck, flipped on its side, completely rust-free original metal. He says there's no rust, no aftermarket metal anywhere. Repainted its original light yellow color. All this is clean, fits nice, clean all the way. Even underneath is clean. Look at that, spotless. All lines up real nice. I like the Blazer because it doesn't have the window frame here. It's really nice looking with the top off. Quarter panels are clean. The body line right around the wheel well underneath here, just spotless. All clean metal, all fits real nice, lines up real nice. Freshly repainted. It's just called light yellow or bright yellow. And that is the original color, very nostalgic. This is a truck that's restored pretty much the stock condition. Does have a 2-inch lift on it. The finish on the paint, super nice and glossy. Has a slight amount of texture like your new car would have. I would say it's equivalent to a new car factory paint job. The CST custom sport truck was the same as the Cheyenne in 72, and this truck was born this way. The sticker on the inside of the glove box lists all the original options, is born like you see it. But this would come with the deluxe trim, the wood grain, and it's all replaced. Comes with a chrome grille, the bumpers, the bezels, the lenses, the bow tie, all of this is replaced. Marker lights, emblems, mirrors, door handles, all replaced. All the glass was replaced as the factory light green tint. The vent window looks to be original in real nice shape. So all the gaskets and seals were replaced. Looks like it has the original antenna. 15-inch wheels were restored, painted white, has the original hubcaps. 5 new all-terrain BF Goodrich tires. This one's never been on the ground. All the tail lights and trim, and again, upgraded wood grain, the back bumper, that's all been redone. It has the removable white hardtop that's sprayed in a white rhino lining inside and out, so it's real nice and durable, and that's in excellent shape. Pictures of that are on our website. So yeah, good looking truck from what we see so far, and you're gonna like the rest of it that I show you as well, so let's take a tour. All right, so you just reach behind here is a little lever, and this swings out of the way. I can't swing it far enough to open the tailgate completely. Just open it a couple inches. But all redone, the inside of the tailgate and the entire inside of the interior before everything was installed was all sprayed with the color matched rhino lining, so it's all nice and protected. This is the upgraded model, so it has carpet front to back, has the nice deluxe side panels. You can see it's all been replaced. Looking real good back here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified as the videos are posted. We put out some really cool content. So yeah, this was entirely apart, so the jambs and everywhere is repainted, the inside of the doors. It has the wood grain deluxe door panels all replaced. Window cranks look like they've been replaced. Climb up in here. It has new dash pad. It's a factory AC truck, which has all been rebuilt. Complete new instrument panel. Does have the optional battery and oil pressure gauges. All really nice. Nice new chrome vent. A retro digital stereo fits right in the factory location. A heater control panel. Looks like it could be new. Inside the glove box is the original sticker I talked about. They actually lists all the options, and it's born like you see it here. And then here's a plug-in for the stereo. Plug in your extra devices. The interior lights are working. So it was all sprayed with the Rhino liner. New carpet, new mats. As the for engaging four-wheel drive, high and low. Factory center console, the original console, original seat belts. Has the saddle tan houndstooth upholstery. That's the way it came. Very cool, very nostalgic. The buckets with the console, I really love it. And in back, optional back seat, also with the matching upholstery, been redone, original seat belt. So the inside of the truck's really in great shape and keeping true to how it was born. Now the steering wheel's in excellent shape, and it's a factory tilt column. It's also on the sticker. The visors in the mirror were replaced, and again, all the rubber gaskets. So real nice interior. So this appears to be the original motor. The codes on the front of the engine all line up, saying it's the 350. But the builder of the truck says it's a 383 stroker roller engine. So when he rebuilt it, he stroked it and built it to 383 specs. It does have an aluminum intake on it. He painted it orange to keep it nostalgic and original looking. It is a new Edelbrock carb with electronic choke. Also has an HEI distributor hiding back there. And you can see it's all painted clean and fresh. He says every black part on the truck has been powder coated. He says the air conditioning system's completely rebuilt. I can see it's got a new compressor. I think it was Classic Auto Airs who we went through for all the new parts, even a new heater control valve. And you can see how everything's detailed. It has the raw fiberglass box, and everything else is all done up real nicely. Battery is secured properly. It is a factory air-conditioned truck. There's a new shroud. We've also got power steering, power brakes. Under the hood's painted, the firewall's painted, detailed up real nice. Michael's going to show you how nice it functions, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Everybody, we got an absolutely gorgeous Blazer to cruise here today. The quality of the restoration is just fantastic. Somebody's going to get a wonderful vehicle. Really nice sounding 383 under the hood. That's paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Of course, you got four-wheel drive on this. Yeah, get on our website without a doubt and check out pictures of the undercarriage on this. It's got body colored floorboards, and it's back to original colors and options on this car, but it just seems like they took it that extra step. Everything's absolutely fresh underneath, stripped down to a bare shell and then redone with all new components. So nice power disc brakes here, power steering. Got a lot of options on this one, including air conditioning. And of course, the top comes off. You can cruise open air if you like to, which is a heck of a lot of fun. Let's see what she's got. Like that, we hit 60 miles an hour. I just eased into it, fresh build, but it ran nice and clean, clear across the power band there. And yeah, nice shifting, everything like that. Everything you want it to do. Interior is nice and comfortable too. Somebody's gonna have a great time with this one. Our shop spent about $3,500 on it, tying up, some loose ends, for example, like they wired in the horns and things like that. Get it to its current condition. So come down, test drive it, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So I just took a good look at the hardtop. It's like brand new. Like I said, it's sprayed a nice bright white rhino liner, top and bottom. They replaced all the glass, all the gaskets. It's like new. There's good pictures on our website. So this was body off the frame, flipped on a rotisserie. So the whole underbody of this truck is completely rust-free. Also sprayed in the color matched rhino lining, so nice and durable. And again, all the black components were powder coated, all zinc plated grade 8 bolts throughout. Underneath looks like a model car. It's all detailed and new looking. It does have a 2-inch rough country lift kit on it. It has their springs, has their shocks, all the suspension, steering, U-joints all look like they've been replaced. It does have a new exhaust with an X-pipe up front here, and it does go all the way out to the back on each side. New fuel system, the tank is new, the brake system's all been redone, has disc in front, drum in back, e-brake is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it still looks brand new. Has a high torque starter, has a new flywheel cover. The turbo 350 automatic transmission looks nice and fresh. It has 373 gears in the rear end. This is a functioning 4-wheel drive unit. So yeah, excellent, excellent truck. I would call it a loaded up truck for its day, and it's restored to its original condition, other than the lift and of course the internals of the motor. But this is how you would have seen it back in '72 for the most part. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your Blazer delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.